Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to create a warehouse. First, we have to generate an admin access token. Enter the admin username and password. Create a new post request with this endpoint. Copy and paste the token in authorization section as bearer token. While creating a new warehouse, these informations will be needed. I will leave the sample code in the description. After complete, log into your admin account and check the warehouse. The warehouse has been successfully created. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,